today someone suggested to me that open theism is wrong. Open theism is the view that God does not foreknow everything, that the future is open. So someone suggested to me that that open theism is wrong because if God knows what you are going to choose at this moment, which He does, then He knows all steps that will be taken after all these steps that will be taken, and so on and so on and so on, until we are at Judgment Day, you could say. So therefore He has absolute foreknowledge. He knows everything that will happen in the future. I do not agree because I'll try to explain why I don't agree to water bottles. Suppose in my mind I've got a plan to drink of this water bottle, this one, and so God sees my plan is to drink from this water bottle. So one could say, okay, therefore I will drink of this water bottle, and so the next step I will take this pen and write something down. But I would disagree, because suppose I've got the absolute plan of drinking of this water bottle, and God sees, because He tries the hearts of men, that I've got the absolute plan to do that. That does not mean this will happen, because I might have the absolute plan now, but as I take this bottle and want to drink, I change my mind. And I say, wait a minute, I'm gonna drink of this bottle. And so I drink of this bottle. So what God saw, in my opinion, is my definite plan of drinking of this bottle, me changing my mind and drinking of this bottle. And in the Bible we also have examples of God doing such things. For example, we see in the story of Jonah that the city repented, the city of Nineveh repented of what they were doing, and so we see that God repented. God changed His mind concerning the destruction of those people, and also in Isaiah we see that God planted a vineyard. He made the vineyard as good as He could, and so with God that's like perfectly good, and then He says that He did everything that was possible for the vineyard to bring good fruit, but in the end they didn't bring good fruit. And so what He thought would happen, what He was hoping for, did not come to pass. And so by these examples we see that according to the open theist view, we see that everything has not yet been foreseen, and the future is open. There are we can change our ideas, we can change our mind concerning things we thought of doing, but afterwards we choose to do something else. And as with the example of the water bottles, therefore there is no absolute foreknowledge with God nor with man. I hope this example helps.